in October, eh? Well, it's basic Florida for you. We should see if there's any warnings in effect. Oh, wow. Ooh, that's a big storm. Whoa. Look at those clouds. By the way, 2014. Let's go upstairs to my room. I can hear the rain pounding. Nothing. At least I think I would have heard my WR100 go off. But we might as well turn our radios now.
Boaters on area lakes should use extra caution since strong winds and rough waves can overturn small craft. Marine reports along the coast and offshore.
Looks like there's a hazardous
100 miles west of Bayport.
weather outlook.
Winds were northeast, except
My FR400 must have died. Batteries must have died on that.
Tuesday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming
Okay, HP32 is running perfectly. That was thunder. But wow, you can see really ominous outside. I just noticed that. You could hear it. I can actually hear the exhaust fan, the ducts, the vents. You can hear them. It's super weird. The motion sensor must have turned on, so that fan's gonna turn on shortly. It looks like the power's out, but it's not. If it was, I'd probably be speaking a little bit more faster. And you'd probably see black screens everywhere. Were there any packages outside? Oh no, there was. There was originally a strong wind gust. I was pushing the rain. It looks like that stopped. And we were going so well. Start of October, I guess. Or, well, basically the middle of October. And we're having a rainstorm. How normal is that? Pretty normal for us, because we're in Florida. Especially on the peninsula. Actually, you know what? I'm in my computer now, so doesn't it make sense if we check out the local IEM bot? See, look, significant weather advisory. I haven't been checking. Wait, what? What? When was this? When did it expire? Wait. Oh, are they seriously taking out the... Hold on. When is this going to expire? Did they just, like, issue this and then they just expired it? Hold on. Hold on. Alright, now it's really pouring outside. Gonna be fast, though, because the memory on my phone's about to run out. Oh my gosh, things are getting really hard out. Fans running. Turn these speakers off. Why was there no EAS? Oh, it was no EAS. That's different. They should. Whisper Green's running. Now things are really... Yeah. See the rain. Anyway, also, I feel really bad for Ian Abel. Really, really bad. Like, his channel got terminated. That sucks, man. That really sucks. People on YouTube really need to be more considerate. I have subscribed to Shepherd Wolf, obviously, but Ian Abel as well. So if we just scroll down the list, see anything? Nope. No Ian Abel. No Black Creeper Face. Oh, Norfolk Southern Storm uploaded something. Band scan on there, Spark. Cool. RDT. Cool. Anyway, short little video. It's really raining outside. I'm gonna work some stuff. I'm gonna do my homework and I'll work on some Roblox Studio stuff. Anyway, TBW563 and I'm signing off.